So nobody told you that you can make money by selling other people's products and you'll be bringing in big profits in naira or in dollars. So beautiful people, this is Kemi of Self Hustle. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, please do want to subscribe, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you, we love you. So on this channel today, we'll be talking about affiliate marketing. So this video will actually be like a basic guide to affiliate marketing. You understand? So I'll be mentioning some steps on how you can start an affiliate marketing business and scale it up. So it is no news that a lot of people online on this online space are into affiliate marketing. I even get a lot of comments, a lot of messages of people showing interest in affiliate marketing. How should they go about starting an affiliate marketing? Well, relax. This video is basically for you. If you can grab a popcorn, please do what to grab one. So in this video today, we'll be talking about affiliate marketing, like I said. Now, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing basically means you selling other people's products. In affiliate marketing, you do not need to create the product. In fact, you do not need to even know the owner of the product. What you just need to do is to sell the person's product, get a particular percentage. Some products might range from 20% to 80 or 90%, depending on the owner of the product. Now, how do you start affiliate marketing? You need to first know what you want to do. Pick a niche. You understand? You cannot just go on Google like some other people that have been on Google. They just type in companies that hire affiliate marketing, or companies that have affiliate products. The affiliate marketing business does not work like that. If there is any video, or if there is someone that has ever told you that if you want to start affiliate marketing, just go and look for those companies, sign up and start marketing their links. Yes, it can work for some people, but for 70%, it does not work for them. So the first thing you need to do is pick a niche. If you want to be selling maybe cooking products, that one is a niche. Now, you also need to understand that affiliate marketing is of different types. You have the one for digital products, you have the one for maybe physical products or other types. But the one I'm basically talking about on this video is affiliate marketing, the digital one, where you sell people's courses. You basically do not need a knowledge, or you do not need a skill. What you just need to do is to market other people's course and make your own money, or training and make your own money. Now, for you to start affiliate marketing, you need to understand, even have a basic knowledge of affiliate marketing. So I would advise you go on Facebook, follow trial pages that are into affiliate marketing, study them, know what they post, know what they say, know what they do, know how they interact. Go on YouTube, watch a lot of videos about affiliate marketing, know what the business model is about. So there are websites that you can use to start affiliate marketing. You have StakeCut, you have Digistem, you have Offcam, you have Expertnia, and you have Seller. You can sign up on any of these 5 websites to start your affiliate marketing, because these 5 websites that I've listed actually have a very high commission rate. You have something like JVZoo and other ones for the Eastern countries, like the first countries. You understand? Just browse websites that you can use to start affiliate marketing, or website that is for affiliate marketers. You understand? Just make sure you're signing up on a website that has a lot of things you can promote, that is general, that is versatile. You understand? You don't want a link or a website that is stagnant on one thing. And this website I have listed will actually help you. Be it Expertnia, be it Digistem, be it StakeCut, be it Seller, be it Offcam. Any of those websites will actually help you. The next one I'll be talking about is getting a course, like learning. Affiliate marketing is quite interesting, or it's quite sweet if you're going in with someone that has been on the journey. If you are going in with someone that has been on that route before, you understand, you do not just jump on affiliate marketing. Well, it is okay if you're planning to, start it up as a gradual process and then learn as you make your mistakes, but this might take you a very long time. Let's just say give and take, maybe like 5 years. You understand? But there is this particular course that is a copy and paste method of affiliate marketing. I tell you, this course is a bombshell. This course is bringing in literally about 500 to 8,000 naira weekly for those that are using it. Well, let me not say much. I will just give you guys a few tips about a few things that you'll find on this particular course. I'll be dropping the link in the description box or the first link in the comment section. So if you are interested in affiliate marketing and you do not want to spend that 5 to 7 years of your time looking for how to maneuver, how to get one single sales, get this course. When I say get the course, hey, you come back and thank me. Just the same way I told you to get Amazon KDP course. Those that got the course now, those that got the course, they have a testimony. When I mean they have a testimony, I mean they have a testimony. So this course will actually tell you explicitly the things you need to do. This course will also find you the hot-selling products that you need to promote. Some of you will go online, you'll be confused about what you can do, but there are some courses or there are some things that you can promote online that comes with high commission but less stress. You don't know that. It's because even people that you want to promote it to, they know the value, they know what it does. You understand? This course will put you to the right point of people that need this service, the right point of people that need what you want to promote. You cannot go and be promoting cooking course or product to someone who is looking to lose weight. This course will also tell you how you can get buying customers that will pay, not customers that will ask you to send the link and they will get back to you. We understand that the economy is quite somehow, but then again, for you to make money on affiliate marketing, it's better you don't even sell to Nigerians. Although we have over 135 million internet users that are buying online daily. You understand? In this course also, you will also be understanding the secrets of affiliate marketing. There are some hidden secrets in affiliate marketing that not everybody knows. You understand? There are some hidden secrets. So there is virtually a lot. How you can close sales, how you can market, how you can create flyers on Canva. Flyers that will make you to sell, how you can create it on Canva. How you can also reply to people that are in your DM making inquiries. So on replies that you get, some of you push traffic, you get the traffic. But when it comes to you answering your customers, you will answer them with the wrong things. You will say the wrong things, at the end of the day, they will not buy. For this particular course, it is your go-to. I've given you all the strategies you need. And the reason why I'm putting in this course is because I know that some of us are lazy. Some of us do not want to do that 5 years stressful thing or 3 years stressful thing. Now get the ultimate affiliate marketing copy and paste strategy. Even the name, don't worry, just click on the link in the description or the first link in the comment section. Visit the page. You understand? Visit it. Check the testimonials, the alerts and everything. You will see that they are not formed out of anything. They have pictures as well that will express for you, that you see live pictures of those that have bought the course and how they are enjoying it and how they are making money. Now, believe you me, if you want to make money online, it's better you invest in yourself. If you do not invest in yourself, I don't know what else you want to invest in. I got a comment 2 days ago, and the guy was telling me that he has tried everything, that but it seems that everything is not working. I said, okay, you have tried everything, no problem. I said, I have heard you that you have tried everything and everything is not working for you to make money online. But please, what skill do you have? What skill do you have? What course have you bought? What personal improvement have you made on yourself? And the guy just went mute. If you cannot even buy course, go and look for those free courses online that you can sign up on, learn one or two things, and start your journey. Rome was not built in a day. If I earn $500 online, you don't know how long I have started my journey. If I earn $10,000 online, you don't know how long I have started my journey. If you are starting today, don't expect to earn the same amount I have earned for the past how many years. This is a real truth. This is a real fact. So if you are looking to start affiliate marketing, get this course. If you don't want to get this course now, you sabi oh. But then again, follow these steps as well. They will also help you in progressing your beginner's mindset when it comes to affiliate marketing. So beautiful people, if you have not subscribed to our channel, what are you waiting for? If you have not joined our Telegram group, what are you waiting for? And if you're a returning subscriber, we love you. So guys, I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you.